Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a fabulous day. I am so excited because we have not only a brand new box to our channel, but a brand new subscription. This is Boxie of Love. So like with every new subscription on our channel, I pull up the website so we can learn a little bit more about it before I unbox. Because this, like I said, is brand new. I don't know too much about it. So on their website it says Boxie of Love, unboxing the love one box at a time. I love that. So they offer several different options. They have a mini box, which is $25, and they have the regular box, which is the one I have, which is like huge and pretty heavy, by the way. And this one is $50. The company did give me a code to get you free shipping. I think it's just Kitty. I will of course leave the link and the code down in the description box, so if you're interested after watching, definitely check those out. Another thing I'll leave in the description box are any giveaway links going on. We have several giveaways I think super soon. Won't get too into it here, but just want to remind you that the links are always in the description box whenever I have giveaways going on, so always be sure to check there. And it looks like this company also has a mystery box that is $45, so that's exciting. And it says, June is all about the beach. Hooray, it's finally summer, which means the sun's out and it's time for us to show some skin. Salty, sandy waters, here we come. So to get a better idea of what comes in this box, they call it like a box of love each month. So you get like natural soaps, bath bombs, oils, hair care, candles, wax melt, and snacks. So this sounds right up my alley. I am so excited to see what they did for their very first box. This feels heavy and awesome. And look how like cute and festive the box is. Am I holding it upside down or can you read it right? Just has all these like festive, happy words on it, which is like very nice to see and is uplifting. So anyways, let me grab my gold scissors and let's get unboxing. So, when I open the box, this is what I see. It is literally jam-packed full of goodies. And it looks like there is something on the very top. It says, "Hi lovely, this is a summer lovin' box. Inside here you will find items that were crafted just for you to have a great time this month." And then it has a list of all of the items. And then it says, "We hope you enjoy this box as much as we did creating it, Tia and Tasha." And then they signed it, Boxie Love. This is so cute. So I will leave this right here to refer to if I need to for anything, but it looks like there's a bunch of bath items, self-care items, wellness, mystery items, book. Wow, there's snacks. There's a lot in here. Oh my gosh. So the first thing I see is so cute, and this is by Betsy Johnson, her Love Betsy collection. It says, "Beach Please." This is super cute. And Betsy Johnson's like a nice brand. So there's like a front pocket right here. And then there's another zipper pocket. This is perfect for the beach because there are like zippers and it seems like really thick. Like I think it might be waterproof actually. Yeah, that's probably what, I mean, it says "Beach Please." And then there's this little thing here. I'm pretty positive that this is waterproof. And it says this is a beach wristlet in pink. So this was the mystery item, and you could have gotten either the Betsy Johnson wrist purse in either Beach Please or Resting Beach Face. So I obviously got the Beach Please one with the portable radio in either black or blue. What? Portable, I don't know what they mean by portable radio. I wonder if that's somewhere in here. But I don't see a radio thing at the moment, but I think this is super cute. I love that there's a book in here. This is perfect to bring to the beach or the pool or just read at home. This is called The Seventh Book of Wonders. And this was on the New York Times 100 Notable Books. That's cool. This is by Juliana Baggett. I love that there's a book in here. I'm trying to get more into reading. So what is this about? So I'll just read like the first like paragraph. It says, "The reclusive Harriet Wolfe, revered author and family matriarch, has a posthumous confession. God, I can't remember, a love story. It can be found only in the final book of the series that made her a famous writer. But does that book exist? The Seventh Book of Wonders tells the story of the unforgettable Wolfe family in 4 distinct voices. The mysterious Harriet, her fiery, overprotective daughter, Eleanor, and Eleanor's daughters, Ruth, who ran away at 16, and Tilton, the fragile yet exuberant younger sister who's become housebound. When catastrophe brings the family back together, the mystery not only of Harriet's last book, but also of her life hangs in the balance. Will the truth ever be known, or is Harriet's story gone forever? A tale of long-lost love, motherhood, and family secrets that spans an entire century, this is Baggett's most enhancing novel yet. I think this sounds super interesting. I love books told in like with like different perspectives, like the Jodi Picoult books. I loved like back in the day. I haven't read one in a while, but I really enjoyed those. So I'm excited to read this. This is awesome. It says the book titles vary each month in each box, so look inside for your surprise. So this is what I got. Sounds awesome. I'm excited to read it. I don't know about you guys, but I definitely read more in the summer. All right, next up is by Garnier Whole Blend Single Use Rinse Out Care Cream. Illuminates and moisturizes dull hair, blended with Moroccan argan and camellia oil extracts. Cool, so these are like travel, or I guess it could be travel, or just like single use hair masks. That's super awesome. I actually used a hair mask today. I try and use them at least once a week. I think I've mentioned this before on my channel, but like the way I remember to do is if I'm like shaving my legs or something, I'll be in the shower a few extra minutes. I like to do this. So this is, I don't see this listed on here, but I'm guessing this is considered one of the bath items. So cool. And then there's a loofah for the bath. Nice, we could all use one of these. You should make sure you replace these. Some people use them for way too long and they can develop bacteria, so it's a really nice reminder. Replace your loofah, people. Ooh, what is this? This looks cool. This is by Ank's Bathhouse Whip Bath Soap, Goddess. I think is the scent. It is made with eucalyptus, mint, and musk, moisturizing and cleansing. Oh, there's a scratch and sniff on the top. Even though I can just open it because it's mine. This smells good. That's so cool. There's a scratch and stuff. I kind of like over scratched it. But this is a big thing. So what is this? Whipped bath soap. What is whipped soap? Amazing, of course. This 2-in-1 Goddess Whip Bath Soap is the ultimate definition of bath and shower time convenience. It works as a combo not only for cleansing your skin, but also as a moisturizing shave cream. Oh my god, I will totally use this for shave cream. I used bar soap today. I prefer to use something like this, but I didn't have any body wash. The versatile whip bath soap will make you feel like royalty with its uplifting scents of eucalyptus, mint, and musk. This is awesome, and this is a big container. How much is in here? 16 ounces. Wow. Yeah, this is listed on there. That's awesome. And then I see like several snacks. So here are some CheezIts snapped. Ooh, these are like thin and crispy CheezIts. Nice. And then there's, oh my gosh, some Pillsbury mini chocolate chip cookies. Yes. There's some Twizzlers. Oh my god, this is so nice. Oh my god, yum. Quaker Oats Baked Flats Cranberry Almond Bars. It looks like there's 3 bars in here. I've never tried those. Awesome. I see some more Twizzlers. And then I think I see, okay, here's that little radio. The portable wireless speaker. Oh my god, there's so much stuff left in this box. This is awesome. It says connect and stream wireless. Works with iPhone or Android phone and more. Portable, rechargeable, wireless. This is awesome. So this is like one of the mystery items along with that Betty Johnson bag. Or Betsy Johnson? Or is it Betty? Betsy. Duh. Cool. What do we have here? This is by LB Physics Science Nature Spirit Mask and Serum Kit for ultra dry skin types. Hydrating mask. Oh cool, so this is like a serum on one side and then the mask on the other? That's really cool. I've never tried anything from this brand before and I love face masks, so that's awesome. Yay, I could always use more of these. This is an EcoTools Total Perfecting Blender. I've never used one of these before. I've used some of the EcoTools, like the mini ones. It's like for correcting, like each one is a different color and they're super teeny. You're supposed to use them with like your correcting colors. I think I just used it for concealer, so I'm super excited to try this one because this is definitely more affordable than the Beauty Blender. So this says it's 50% better application than the leading prestige sponge, which I would guess they're implying Beauty Blender. So this is 100% vegan, cruelty-free, all that good stuff. It works best with liquid and cream foundations for an airbrush base, and that is what I use. So I am so excited to try this because my Beauty Blender I've had for like almost 2 months now. It's time to go, you know? So I definitely am excited about that. Oh, and then here's a brush. This looks like this probably could be used for the face mask. This would be perfect for applying masks, actually. I wonder if it says it on here. Oh yeah, it says one face mask set with a face brush. This is definitely that. Oh, and it does have that hair cream under the bath items. I don't know why I didn't notice that earlier. Yeah. Yes, I love candles. This is by Co. Candlelight Company, blood orange and cedar wood, crafted in the USA, burn time up to 30 hours. So it has fragrance notes of blood orange, almond, cedar wood, and vanilla, and it just looks so cute. Smell it. This box is so good. I can't believe it's their first one. There's so much. There's still something, at least one other thing in there. Can I get this open? Oh my god, this smells so good. It's definitely a good like spring and summer scent too. It's very citrusy and orangey, and look, there's 2 wicks in there. I'm totally lighting this up after this video. Usually I have a candle lit behind me, but it's kind of dead already, like, so I forgot. But now I have another one. Oh my god, sparkling cider, yum. This sounds really good. This is by Matronelli's Gold Medal Sparkling Cider Northwest blend made from US grown fresh apples. I haven't had like a cider that was non-alcoholic in a long time, but this sounds like really good and refreshing actually. It says it has an easy twist off cap. So this is cute. Let's see if there's anything else in here. There's so much stuff, I'd be shocked. All right, you guys, so that was everything. And this is the regular box, like I said. This was so full of like good stuff. I'm super excited about everything. Like the snacks, you've got the like bath stuff, everything. That like waterproof Bessie Johnson beach bag with the speaker, that is like genius. I'm super excited to have that. If you're wondering what comes in the mini box, I just opened my email and they told me. So it says the mini box, which is the one that is $25, you get 1 bath item, 1 self-care item or wellness item, 1 mystery item, 2 to 3 snacks, and a book. So what I got, you just get more of each item. And in the regular box, you also get like a creator favorite item. So yeah, this is awesome. I think they did a good job with the theme too, like saying like all of this stuff could be like used for an amazing day at the beach. Like you can like do some like self-care, like use this to shave your legs beforehand. You can bring the snacks, pack them up. You have your speaker to listen to. And then you have your book to read on the beach. This is so cute, I love it. So yeah, you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. And I will of course leave a link. I think this was so good. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I think your first box was great. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.